Hello YouTube and welcome to 5 facts about fossils. Number 1. Fossils are formed from plants and animals that lived a long time ago. Did you know that fossils take about 10,000 years to form? Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of animals and plants that lived many years ago. There are many fossils of animals and plants that are extinct. For example, dinosaurs, the dodo bird, and the Tasmanian tiger are all extinct animals. The Tasmanian tiger became extinct in 1936, and the dodo bird became extinct in 1662. We know dinosaurs existed because of fossils discovered by scientists. Scientists that study fossils are called paleontologists. Number 2. Fossils are not bones. Mold and cast fossils are formed because the skeleton of a dead animal becomes surrounded by sediment. Sediment is made from mud and sand. When many layers of mud and sand form on top of each other, pressure is built and sedimentary rock is formed. The skeleton of the organism is washed away by groundwater, leaving a natural mold of the shape of the skeleton. Small pieces of rock present in the groundwater will enter the natural mold and fills it up with rock. Over time, more layers of sedimentary rock forms, and the small pieces of rock in the mold form a solid rock. This is how fossils are formed. There can also be fossils of traces left by organisms. For example, scientists have discovered fossils of fossilized footprints. Number 3. Fossils give us an indication of how organisms evolved over time. By studying fossils, paleontologists have discovered how organisms changed over time. For example, through fossils, scientists have found how horses have evolved. Paleontologists have found that horses evolved from a dog-like ancestor about 55 to 42 million years ago. Fossils show that horses grew in size over time. Based on its anatomy, scientists believe that horses share a common ancestor with tapirs and rhinoceroses. Number 4. Fossils of modern animals and plants. Although there are fossils of animals and plants that are extinct, there are certainly fossils of both types of organisms which we are very familiar with. Number 5. Fossils can be found everywhere. Fossils of many different organisms can be found everywhere, even in places where you would not expect them. This happened because in the past, the world was a supercontinent called the Pangaea. All the continents of the world were connected together. This means that animals could move freely from one continent to another without problems. Therefore, fossils of organisms that are more commonly found in Africa were discovered in Europe, simply because it was easy for these organisms to move upwards from Africa to Europe. Did you learn something new today? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. You can check other interesting facts by clicking on one of the videos shown in the middle of the screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.